Unlock and open the hinge door. Locate the top locking bar on the edge of the panel. There are star head screws on the locking bar which are not the locking bar attachment screws. Do not remove the star head screws when removing the top locking bar. Remove the top locking bar attachment screws. Remove the top locking bar from the panel edge. Move the handle to adjust the bottom locking bar down so the lower pin of the top locking bar will align with the hole in the bottom locking bar just above the lock gearbox. Insert the locking bar into the panel edge, making sure the pin on the locking bar aligns with the hole in the bottom locking bar. Insert and tighten the top locking bar screws. After inserting each screw, test the handle operation to make sure the screw is not too tight and the handle still operates the locks. Close and lock the door.